Alright, we'll just read it to this song. How raindrops fill a bucket. Okay. Would you die for your cause? There is no cause for this. The only cause to die for is living. We as a collective, so serious-minded, these trillion-ton thoughts that lie within the individual as well floor us. But we speak in jokes, anecdotes, for fear of one another's ridiculous high disapproval rates. I don't want validation through some occupation or sensation on the map of famed, framed, aesthetic nothings. I have been validated unintentionally because circumstances have always preceded me. That is how a shelf work for self is made. This is the framework, the frame. We never get rid of where we've been made. It builds this core that guides one's morality. These are the shelves where the self is grown, not within the values we are taught that are right. I believe we are good inherently, and I reject all these systems imposed upon we, because we already have all our pieces from birth. We remember our pasts, but we move from these mindsets always into the moments, which is why we're just shelving unique storage systems for emotional, logical, and psychological sorting. It is up to us to plug in the content. You do not buy a bookshelf for nothing, or any beautiful, elaborate cabinet. You learn to keep the shelves organized, customized, according to your personal needs, not the requirements, demands of others. It is for your own access, dependent on your own process. We are taught not to speak the things that we mean, so the truly honest man is a freak. And what I mean are these socially accepted multiple faces meant to keep us hidden publicly. Real is just make-believe. We cannot change the most blinded majority, the part of the living world that has fallen asleep. They just want to be left to be. I guess then this is the cause to die for. Not really die, really just strive toward, to emerge from a mass as a face with a mouth and some say, because things have to change. We need to be rearranged into a mass with a majority that remembers and feels the position of all others always. But we have to go piecemeal, one by one, like how raindrops fill a bucket up. The end. Bye-bye.